Hi guys, welcome to my doll room. I am going to attempt to do this on camera. I don't have a camera person to assist me, but I am excited because I got this little guy today and I'm going to unbox this Cabbage Patch Kid from 1985 and I'm really excited about him. He's a head mold number 6. I know we're getting a bit of a glare, but a head mold number 6 Passy boy. African-American boy, and he's just adorable. His name is Francis Garth. And so since his box is damaged, and I do have several other dolls, as you can see up on that shelf, in boxes already, I decided to let him come out because I like my doll room slash teaching classroom, because I'm a teacher. I like it to look nice, you know, so I don't really want to display this funky, dented up box. I probably will keep it in my garage for now, but I don't think I'm gonna have him in the box. I'm gonna let him come out, and I want to see. He might be dusty. I might have to clean him up, but I'm so excited to take him out and see this cutie. So let's see if we can do this kind of on camera. I am going to try not to mess up the box too much. So, all right, taking out this little boy who's been in there since the 80s. Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to be opening it from the bottom. I'm just so excited. I'm going for the top, but that's just a little tip, guys. Makes sense. If you look at the shape of this box, we're not going to be getting it out of the top very easily. So let's go for the bottom. All right. This should work better, little dude. Little Francis Garth. Cute little guy. I love the Passy babies. My first Cabbage Patch Kid, Gigi, if you saw my other video, was a Passy baby. So here he comes, guys. It's like he's being born out of Mother Cabbage all over again. Right from Georgia. All right. There goes the box. I'm gonna carefully lower that down. And there he is in his inner shell box. He does still have his necktie on, it looks like. So, look at him. I think I definitely will clean him up. I'll let him go through my bath camp because he's kind of dusty. That box wasn't like airtight after all those years, but let me go ahead and untie him from the box so he can come out and see us a little bit better. It's exciting when I get one in box that I can take out. Like, so if the box is damaged, sometimes it doesn't bother me too much because I do have other nice ones in the box. And then I get to see him better and touch him and hold him and give him a little hug. So anyway, this is the little guy. This is Francis Garth, as his little papers say. Let me see if I can take the papers out to show you guys. At least I'm going to try to carefully take it off the box without ripping it too much, but I don't think it's possible to get those off without ripping them a little. But isn't he the cutest? And he's got his pacifier. He still has the toy only cardboard in there, so we can just kind of pull that off. So cool. Like, he's not been played with. He's just in great shape. Still has the tie on his neck. Let me take that off. But once I wash him up, I mean, he's just brand new condition, other than the fact that he's like 40 years old. So I think it's just so cool. And to get him in a Passy face number 6 mold, African-American boy with shag hair, that was in the box still. Like, I'm pretty excited about that. It's a pretty good find today. So love this little guy. Let me put him down. See if we could carefully get these papers off. All right, well, you know, that's them. It did rip a little bit. I knew it was going to happen. It's kind of unavoidable, but anyway, that's him. It does have a weird separation if you notice the way his name is. They have a little typo there. Francis Garth. But that's him. I think he's just adorable. So I'm excited to bring him into my patch, as they say, and welcome him in. So, yep, the unboxing of a 1985 Cabbage Patch Kid. It just happened right there for you. It's like the 80s all over again. So, bye. We'll see you next time.